What's the world? It's Kizzy little sister here. Yeah, finally you guys see me, cause sorry guys. Yeah. Yeah, sorry guys. So I'm gonna be eating Takis. Ouch. Yeah, so let me set this camera up. You guys can see me. Yeah, so yeah. Takis, ragu, lemon with the pepper at. Oh my god. So, that, stop, yeah, stop, eat, stop, yeah, so, sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm eating Takis. I'm going to see how many sugar and calories it has. If it has a lot, I'm not going to eat it. Total sugar Wendy. That's pretty good. So I'll eat it. Whoa, guys. Look at it. It's hot. As you guys can see, I'm in the truck. Mama right there. Mommy! I'm scared. A lot of people are watching me right now. I'm shaking because I'm scared. Ma! Can I put the window up? How?
For what? That one? Put in the key. Turn it a little bit. Turn it. Turn it. Okay, put them up. And then turn it off and take off the key. Leave it like that.
If you guys like that song, comment down below.